Assalamu alaikum. Today, Family Entertainment brings you a very unique and important topic that you all need to know about. Let's dive right into the video. What is halala? Halala is a practice where a divorced woman marries another man with the intention of divorcing him to remarry her first husband. This practice is strictly condemned in Islam and is considered a manipulation of the laws of Allah. Allah has clearly outlined the rules of divorce and remarriage in the Quran. And if he has divorced her for the third time, then she is not lawful to him afterward until after she marries a husband other than him. And if the latter husband divorces her, there is no blame upon them if they return to each other, if they think that they can keep within the limits of Allah. Surah Al-Baqarah 230. This verse emphasizes that remarriage after the third divorce can only occur naturally, without pre-planned manipulation. If the second marriage is entered with the intention of making the woman lawful for her first husband, it becomes invalid in the eyes of Allah. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ strongly condemned the practice of halala, curse upon those involved. The Messenger of Allah cursed the one who marries a woman with the intention of making her lawful for her first husband and the one for whom it is done. Sunan Abi Dawood, Hadith 2076. Jami at-Tirmidhi, Hadith 1119. This hadith explicitly declares halala as cursed, indicating that it is not only haram but also a serious sin. Mocking Allah's laws. Shall I tell you of a borrowed billy goat? They said, Yes, O Messenger of Allah. He said, that is the muhallil, the man who does halala, and the muhallallahu, the man for whom it is done. Sunan Ibn Majah, Hadith 193. The metaphor of a borrowed billy goat shows the contempt and dishonor associated with such acts. Scholarly consensus. Islamic scholars unanimously agree that halala is a prohibited act and is a violation of Sharia. The second marriage must be genuine, without any pre-arranged intention to divorce. Why is halala prohibited? Violation of intentions. In Islam, intentions or niyyah play a vital role in the validity of actions. Entering a marriage with the intention of divorce is deceitful. Exploitation. Halala often leads to the exploitation of women, as they are forced into temporary marriages, which are akin to legalized immorality. Mockery of Allah's laws. It reduces the sanctity of marriage and divorce to a mere transactional arrangement, defying the wisdom behind these rulings. Conclusion. Halala, as practiced with pre-planned intentions, is a major sin in Islam. The Quran and Hadith leave no room for doubt that such acts are cursed and unacceptable. Muslims must adhere to the principles of Sharia with sincerity and avoid manipulative practices that distort Allah's commands.